All the thumbnails you are seeing now was generated using AI. Yes, yes, using AI and also your phone. So all you need is only your phone. Yes, your phone and also AI, which is what artificial intelligence. We have so many AI that can help you to generate a thumbnail, to create eye-catching thumbnail that will help your YouTube video to go viral. So today I'm going to look at how to generate this thumbnail using your phone and also AI. My name is Lord Daniel, and this channel is about how to grow your YouTube channel, tips and tricks that will help your YouTube to grow fast. Yes. So now let's dive right. So first we are going to use ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT and ImageFX. Yes, ImageFX. That's the AI that we are going to use to generate our thumbnail. Very simple. It does not require any complicated steps. So now let's move on. So now let's open our ChatGPT. Let's open our ChatGPT. So after opening ChatGPT, this is what we are going to do. So now let's input our prompt and tell ChatGPT to give us the thumbnail of that particular prompt that we want to create using ImageFX. So now let's read. ChatGPT is generating the prompt for us. Let's read. Yes. So let's write. Just give me the prompt. Yes. So now let's wait for ChatGPT. GPT is giving us the prompt. Yes. So now let's copy the prompt and move to our Safari or any Google browser that you are using. Yes. So Safari, then you type ImageFX. So image FX. So ImageFX, this is what I'm talking about. Yes. I'm talking about this particular thing. Yes. ImageFX. So now let's tap on it. Yeah, so now let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Yeah, so this is the AI tool that I'm talking about, ImageFX. Okay, so now let me set it. Yes. Okay, so you have to sign in using our Google account. Yes. So as soon as you type in ImageFX and you click on the link, you have to log into your Gmail account. Yes. So let's do that. Yeah, okay. So now we've logged into our ImageFX account. So what you're going to do is the prompt that was generated by ChatGPT, let's paste it here. So I have pasted the prompt here. Yes, so now let's move to settings. So make sure your aspect ratio should be in 16:9. 16:9. That's the YouTube thumbnail size. Yes, that's the rare YouTube thumbnail size that we are going to use. Yes, so already is image. And if you want to get a constant character, like tap on this particular lock and lock it. Yes, to get what a constant character. Yes, so now let's click on generate. So now ImageFX is generating our videos for us. So it's generating it for us. Let's see. As you can see, ImageFX has generated our thumbnail for us. Yes. So if you want to maintain this particular character here, you have to lock this particular thing. So it means when you put in other prompt, ImageFX is going to maintain this particular character. Yeah. This is the thumbnail generated by ImageFX. Yes, ImageFX. So you can go ahead to download. Let's download this one. Okay, so you said download. All right. So it's still loading. Let's download it here. Okay, so this is the image. Yes, this is the image. So this is our thumbnail. So you can create a bright, catchy thumbnail for your YouTube video using this particular tool, which is your phone and also ChatGPT. Yes. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Why not subscribing to this channel? Subscribe to this channel so that whenever you do this video, you will be notified.